The IFTA goes to Grand Slam Journey, Dave Berry from RTA. Thank you very much. Just like to thank the RFU and the Six Nations, and especially the Irish team, for allowing us to follow them and tell their story of what was truly a magnificent year. And Nath?
I know what you're thinking, Grand Slam journey, that must have been really hard. But I'd just like to pay tribute to Dave, whose huge commitment made this possible. Thanks to my colleagues in Screen Scene, thanks to Ryle, Glenn and Cliona in RT Sport. Thanks to my wife, who says this doesn't count as a Valentine's dinner. I think it does. And as Dave said, thanks to a team who created a story for us all to get behind when we needed it most. And thanks a lot.